If you'd like to add users to your account without sending them an invitation, you have two ways to do that. First of all, go to your users page inside your admin dashboard. Then, the first method would be to just import your users with a CSV file. Once you import them, they would be added to your account without getting any invitation. The second method would be to add them manually by clicking on the Add Users button. Just click on it, add your user details here one by one, and make sure to remove the checkbox saying Send an Invite. That's it. Now, once you did add users to your account in any of these two ways, they would be right here on your users page. When you do want to send them invitations, just go to your overview page in the dashboard and see right here at the bottom the section that says Users Login Status. This is where you can see how many of the users in your account are yet to log in. Just click on Select Users to Invite, select which users that you'd like to send an invitation to, and follow the funnel. That's it.